Welcome to another video from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. In this video we are going to use SolidWorks and we are going to make a cookie cutter from a file that we created using Inkscape. Watch my other videos to figure out how to trace an image like this and offset it outwards in order to make the thicknesses that you can extrude to make the cookie cutter. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by opening the DXF file. You can have a file open already and you can choose insert a DXF file and have it insert as a sketch. But if you're starting with a new cookie cutter, you can just go file open. You're going to find the cookie cutter that you'd like to import in. I'm going to use this one. And what will happen is SolidWorks will assume, since it also does drawings and blueprints, that this DXF file is a drawing or a blueprint that you're importing from some other location. I would actually like to make it a 3D printable part, so I'm going to import it as a 2D sketch. I'm not going to hit finish right now because there are some settings I want to check on. The most important one for me is the units, because it's hard to resize it afterwards. I made this the right size when I made it in the first place, and I exported it as a DXF in millimeters. So by default, SolidWorks will have inches here. I'm going to switch it to millimeters. That's really the only thing I need to change. There are some other things to do. You can go through and see these different settings, but none of those were necessary for me, so I'm going to hit finish. And what will happen is it will pop up this 2D to 3D window where you can try and fix some things. I never use that. And then it gives me it as a sketch. It names the sketch model. And you can see that you've got this, and if you need to come in here and edit things before you extrude them, you can. You're in the sketch right now, so you could exit the sketch, but if you just go to features and hit extrude, you can start extruding. You can click on the region that you'd like to extrude, so I'm going to click on this region right here. This is the handle of my cookie cutter. I'm going to adjust how thick it is by typing a measurement here. You got to find a thickness that works for you. I click the check mark to finish that extrusion. In order to extrude the cutter part, because this is just the handle, I'm going to expand this out, select the model, and then choose extrude. And again, I'm going to zoom in so that I can make sure I get the right region. And this one's going to extrude a lot further because it's going to be the part that actually cuts the cookie. Oops. When I was zooming out there, I accidentally zoomed my distance. All right. Check mark again. And now I have a cookie cutter. I'm going to turn on the edges so you can see it. So this will cut a cookie. And if you want to figure out how to put the lines on the inside, you're going to have to watch my next video. If you want to figure out how to trace the image like we had from an image that you've drawn or an image that you found on the internet, there's a video for that as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you're enjoying making things with the Voyager STEAM Lab.